Good morning. Good morning. Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. I'm here really quickly with Tuesday's tip. I was listening this morning, and I'm about to go for my run, so I thought I would just give you this tip really quickly. I was listening on Clubhouse to this podcast, Breakfast with Champions, whatever. I listened to that in the morning, and the title of the podcast or the room was, "What You Don't Know Can Absolutely Hurt You." And you know, we've always heard what you don't know can't hurt you. But I thought about this, and it does make sense, because when you're not aware and you're not constantly learning and you're not constantly moving to the next level, it can hurt you. It can impede your growth. And for me, what came up for me was, I think I'm on the right track, because I'm a forever learner. I'm a constant learner. I'm always seeking to know more about something. And it goes back to that statement, what you don't know can absolutely hurt you. And I start thinking about it in the context of school, in the context of being in nursing school or nurse practitioner school, and not knowing where to start, or not knowing how to use a syllabus, or not knowing certain things on the platform you're on, whether that be Blackboard or Canvas, those types of things. If you're not searching for those answers, you're going to be behind. You're going to be lost. You're going to be behind the 8 ball. And so that it makes sense that you would be constantly trying to learn. Okay, here's a small service announcement. If there's something that you don't know that you want to know, if there's someone that you see who's doing something that you want to do and you know nothing about, connect with them, network with them, take them to lunch, do something with them, and find out what it is that they did to get to where you want to go. You'd be amazed at how many people want to share, how many people want to just give you the information, if you would just be intentional about getting that information. So that's another tip as well. Be a forever learner, and step out there and meet people and network and ask questions. People love to talk about themselves. They love to talk about their success. Just ask while learning, right? So yeah, that really hit me. Because at first the title threw me off. I was like, well, how can it hurt you? Well, it can hurt you because it keeps you stagnated. It keeps you in one spot if you're not constantly trying to learn. And so that's my tip for you today. Be a forever learner. Constantly learn. Seek to grow. And I was thinking about this too the other day, about who I am and how I function, and I'm constantly trying to be a better me, constantly trying to get better. And that's through knowledge, and that's through change, and that's through knowing. So yeah, that's my tip for the day. Be a forever learner. So anyway, guys, I hope you have an amazing Tuesday, and thank you for stopping in. Thank you so much for all of the support. Like my videos, look at some more videos. I would love that very much. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.